Although I've experimented with many styles of photography and filmmaking, every chance I get, I circle back to expedition documentary. When the common goal is exploration, each team member brings their expertise and experience, and a level of concentration and commitment that I haven't found elsewhere. Full immersion. Sometimes your team is successful in the stated goals, and other times you have to change your goals to adapt to the circumstances, whatever they are. This type of work reminds me that each minute is unique and potentially unrepeatable. I've worked a bunch in cinema, but out here, there's no take 2 or take 3. Each moment is really all there is. It's inspiring. But it also demands near constant focus and attention to detail, which can be completely consuming and nearly obsessive. When I'm on assignment, I keep my camera within arm's reach at all time, and most of the time powered on, to be ready for these moments as they happen. And in the end, when it's all said and done, sort through thousands of images and craft a story. A story that represents the effort, the terrain, the conditions, the people. Maybe it can inspire someone else to get out there and explore. Whatever it is and wherever it isn't important to me. I just think we need more of this. Less spectatorship, more participation. Our world is vast and epic. Get out there and explore.